girl Melva, simply Melva that is, and your girl is back with another video. Yes, I am back with another video, and today, honey, it is going to be a how to define this curly hair wig. I'm going to show y'all my everyday routine of how I style my hair, and if you guys would like to stick around and see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, I'm just going to jump right into the video. This is all the hair pulled to the front and brushed out. This is some big hair. It is 200% density, but we about to define these curls, honey. And what I use, water bottle, wig brush, and my new fave, this Aussie mousse. I use this, and I just bought this from Target. So those are the three things I use. And I'm not gonna do no talking while I'm defining the curls. Y'all just vibe out to the music and watch me do my thing.
Pretty little thing, you got it back and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting you to me, I'm looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they sliding. Through the 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never catch you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Pretty little, 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 take it back, pretty little, pretty little, pretty little, pretty little, thing you got it back and now you wildin'. Pretty little, 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 take it back, pretty little, pretty little, pretty little, pretty little.
We do here is go back.
So this is what the hair looks like, all defined. And you know, I only use the water and the mousse. This is a 6x6 HD lace closure wig. I did my little baby hairs last night, y'all, because I slept in it, so I just wrapped my hair down and everything. But this is basically my go-to routine every day as I wear this wig. And look how the curls is just popping, like, what? And then when it dries down, it still looks like this. Of course it's going to be dry, but it's not going to be crunchy or sticky or anything like that. Like, the curls are still defined, the ends still look hydrated, it's not looking frizzy or none of that kind of stuff. Y'all, this hair came from West Kiss Hair, and I can just say, like, this is a bomb ass wig. I've tried Kalai hair, I've tried Missy Lynn hair. I think those were the only two that I've actually ordered from, but I swore by Kalai hair. But y'all, this West Kiss hair, baby, listen, I gotta, like, this is nice. This is really nice. It's very affordable. because child, I'm not gonna spend my coins on nothing, you know, too pricey. But this is it. Like, this is it. I really love this hair. It's very soft, very easy to manage. Y'all, it's like a wham bam thank you ma'am when it comes to the installation of the hair. Like, I'm not no pro or none of that, and I did this hair myself. So if you would like to purchase this hair, I will list everything down in the description box. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. If you're not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And make sure y'all tap that little bell on the side so y'all are notified every time your girl uploads a video, honey. So yeah, this is the final look. And yeah, y'all, all 20 inches. You did. You see that there? So yeah, y'all. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.